guys, and welcome to the Top Marques 2022 in Monte Carlo in Monaco. And in this video we'll check out the Bugatti stand, and right at the entrance we can see two Bugattis. So one is the Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport, which you can see here on the right side, and on the left side we can see the Bugatti Chiron Saint-Design. So for the 110th anniversary of the Bugatti, it's in French tricolor, so red, white and blue, and the car itself is in dark matte blue and also in blue carbon. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified for all new videos. So let me know which Bugatti is your favorite in the comment section down below. So here we can see the main star of the show, which is the Chiron Pur Sport Grand Prix, and this is the special edition from the Sur Mesure customization program, which translates from French into the tailored. So this is basically tailored to individual needs of the customers. Now let's check out the exterior of this car, and also we will check out some Porsche in the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So here you can see this baby blue sort of color with red accents, and this is the world public debut of this car at Top Marques in Monaco. So this bespoke hypercar is inspired by 20th century heroics of renowned racing driver the Louis Chiron, and early racing pioneers who piloted Bugatti's prototype racing cars continue to fascinate and are admired for their bravery and talent displayed on track. So basically this is the reason for this Bugatti Chiron. It's named after the Louis Chiron, which was a legendary driver and the only person which is Monegasque, so the citizen of Monaco, which won the Grand Prix in Monaco. And the Louis Chiron has countless victories at the wheel of Bugatti vehicles, and his iconic win in 1931 at French Grand Prix together with Varzi in Bugatti Type 51 emblazoned with the number 32. So that's actually the reason behind the number on the doors. And the number is painted entirely by hand, now proudly adorned by Chiron Pur Sport Grand Prix as just one of several custom-made elements developed especially at the request of the customer. So two new exterior colors were also created to pay homage to the legendary Grand Prix racing Bugattis at 20s and 30s. So the Chiron Pur Sport is calibrated for lateral acceleration and is powered by Bugatti's famous 8.0-liter W16 engine, and it's producing 1,500 horsepower and 1,600 Newton meters of torque, and that's 1,180 pound-feet of torque. And here you can see the W16 EB Ettorio Bugatti in carbon fiber is the cover of the engine bay, which is exposed, and you can see the engine, and you can see this huge wing with Bugatti on the top. So it looks very aggressive and very sporty. So probably this is my favorite Bugatti model, I would say, in the Chiron lineup for sure, and maybe even overall, because to me this gives me these racing vibes from the Bugatti in the past, but still it has this very luxury and comfortable purpose and also design. So let me know how you like the Pur Sport and also how you like this Grand Prix edition. You can see also aero wheels, which we will check out shortly, and the carbon fiber wing, which is fixed. Usually in the Chiron it is deployable, but here it's fixed for even more downforce. And you can see the rear tail lamps and also the diffuser, which is huge, and also the exhaust, which is double. So let you know how to like this. Also the rear is in carbon fiber. The diffuser looks very crazy, to be honest, and very good. So in 6th gear the Chiron Pur Sport accelerates from 60 to 120 kilometers per hour, almost 3 seconds faster than the Chiron. And this is extraordinarily fast hyper sports car in its own right. And that's quite crazy because Chiron was already very fast, but this one is even 3 seconds faster in acceleration. This is just mind-blowing. And with optimized aerodynamics, shorter gear ratio and completely new tires. And also the Bugatti Sur Mesure team developed this fading EB pattern applied meticulously by hand, which is complemented by multi-layer stitched EB motif on the door panels. And now we can check out the wheels and tires. Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, these aerodynamic brakes with carbon fiber inserts, so let you know how they like this. And here are the rear tires by Michelin, especially for the Pur Sport. And the rear tire size is 355 25 R21, so 21 inch at the rear, pretty wide 355. So let me know what you think about this crazy performance hypercar. Also at the fuel tank you can see the Chiron Pur Sport and carbon fiber around it, also at the mirrors. And very interesting looking car for sure, very good looking car. And here are the front wheels, you can see they are in black as well with carbon fiber inserts and red logo EB. And the front tire size is 285 30 R20, so a little bit narrower at the front but still very wide tires. And here you can see the side profile, and also here are the special inserts at the rear. And the overall shape of the rear has this like a cocoon. Let me know how you like this car in the comment section down below. And now we can check out this Porsche, which I was talking about in the beginning of the video. So here is the new 911 GT3 992 series. So this is very nice spec in my opinion, this dark blue, sort of mixed blue color. So this blue paint is called the gentian blue metallic, very nice blue. And also here you can see these gold accents, so these are called the neodyme, very nice. And also red brake calipers. So here you can find the blue with goldish accents, and also this huge wing for improved aerodynamics. So this is one car which I wanted to show you. So this is the one Porsche which I wanted to show you, really nice spec. So here in this case we still have the naturally aspirated 4.0 liter 6-cylinder boxer engine in the 911 GT3, and it screams up to 9000 RPMs. So it has a power output of 510 horsepower and acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour is 3.4 seconds. So let me know how you like the new 911 GT3. And also I have filmed the full detailed video about the GT3 before in white and gold / neodyme. So if you haven't yet, then check out that video for a detailed look of the new GT3. And also we have Porsche branding and Porsche font on the front hood. So let me know if you would go for something like that or not. Very curious to hear your opinion. Alright guys, so that's it for this video from the Bugatti and Porsche. Let me know which car is your favorite and which Bugatti is your favorite and which Porsche is your favorite for sure. Let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you very much for watching and being here. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.